Zeal. What? Zeal.
A tactic against Joe Frazier. Rumble in the jungle.
Oh.
The other guy was tougher.
Si Kuya Baba na sad be.
I'm going to let this guy pummel the crap out of me. He's going to get tired and I'm going to knock him out.
Baby, not too fast. Are you not scared? Are you scared? No?
Oh, he was so clever. Oh, he was beautiful. Beautiful to watch. But he had a great mind. And he had all these brilliant
Nabalik ng tabi na. Let's go back na.
make us points about races or
Huh?
whatever it was. In a way that was palatable.
Let's go back na.
I'll play Robin.
Okay, go try. Basta nakalagi ko an. Nakakat-kat na siya? Siya rin, ikat-kat. Careful, Zeal. Careful. Use your feet, baby. Use your feet. Yeah. Just careful. Balance. Up, up. Bi, ikaw ang gadihan ko, an, Bi. You're good? You're good? Huh?
If I hold you?
Okay. Gunito lang, Papa. Hold her lang, Papa. Okay. That's too far, baby. From church, nagdahos mi o kuan diri sa picnic sa park.
Are you quite proud of it? Oh, I don't know. Which way do you think? This one's little. Yep. Oh, this guy's climbing up. You might have to watch out for him first. Slide on down. You gonna go?
Zeal. Let's go back na, Zeal. Let's go back to Auntie Vina and Papa Richard na. Oh, Uncle Richard, din mo.
Dad.
Yeah.
Nabot na sila ate B ay.
Mas baba.
Ano lang. Zeal, let's go na. Na dito. Tanawa dito ay Daplin. Dito. Nara na dito kuya.
Oo ka pangita. Pangita sa.
Dahil sila og kuan.
Ban.
Wala ate.
Ganda mo yung kulit. Why toilet dressing ka?
Na dito, asa to dapit ate?
Dito, kuya, to, dito pa.
Ano to na, kahiyon kay ko, dunga kuya, mga to sa gabi, mangita sa ko.
Ba food na sa library?
Murag naasad sa library. Tanawa kung open ba ang library.
May baso. Ada ba?
Narami karon diri after church, nag-picnic, and then mga tumig memorial mga kuan places. So naami sa Devonport, Auckland. Riban, kulatahon ka ba? Mura pag anak.
Ay, lain may gibira ka.
Ang licorice man.
Nagtumo kong blueberry.
Basa ka sa dati. Ang licorice ba?
Nagtumo blueberry ang ko ang liver.
Sa library na lang.
Kasi tamin.
Ano sa man nga brand? Ano sa nga brand?
Ato kay TikTok naman to. Ano may ipili ko?
Ban, pagka na ice cream ban. Ila ako.
Sige to. Kana mo yan.
Kagay, baso si Baban.
Ayun, ayun ko.
Mura ni siya yung mga trabaho sa mga tao basta Sunday mostly mag-picnic din na mag-family day. Siya pier na siya. Wala may ilahin ko. Picnic lang. Ha? Unsa nga brand be? Ah.
Premium New Zealand ice cream. Rich chocolate ice cream with chewy brownie. Made with real cream.
Ay, kilaw na siya. Bana.
Ay, kautin mo.
Ikot ko.
Man, but nakapalabot tayo ice cream sa to ah.